Alright, good morning guys. It's April 1st, scout day number 2 before youth season. Found some birds yesterday. Knew about where they should be some at. And didn't hear as many as what I thought I should, but getting up here, getting a little earlier start this morning. Just got some gas, rolling out. Should be up place in about probably 5 or 10 minutes, and then we'll get back on the hill, see what's talking this morning. I'm gonna come up every morning this week, try to hear some, see, get an idea where me and Kenton and my dad's gonna start the first morning at. So see how it goes. Stick around. I'll be back when we get up top of the hill. Alright guys, I'm up here. I've been up here for a few minutes and I've not heard the first bird anywhere gobble. I don't know if it's where it's overcast or what it is, but there's not a bird gobbling anywhere. It's a little colder this morning too. Crows are just now starting to wake up and talk, so maybe the birds will gobble here in a few minutes, but I'm gonna slip right on out this ridge right here where I can hear over into this big holler and this big holler. Got an owl over here going wild. Slip out through here. I got to get to work about 8 o'clock. It's just right now 7, so luckily we're still working right down the road right here from where I'm hunting at, so kind of helps out, maybe get a little scouting done. Put Kenny Boy in a good position to kill one first day youth season, so I'm gonna turn it off and save some battery. I left my other battery on the charger, so this one's on about 40%, so I'll get back with you if I hear one gobbling and kind of fill in where he's at and everything. got some owls talking pretty heavy over in this holler. No turkeys gobbling. Man, it's got cold too. .36 degrees. Well, I've been here for about 30 minutes and there's not a bird gobbling anywhere. So I just got to thinking, I'd heard on a podcast or a show or something, Mark Drury pretty much talking about if the wind's out of the east, the birds gobble the least. So I just got on my weather app. There's an east, southeast wind. So I've kind of listened to that over the past few years, and it's crazy, but it's holding the truth, really. So I don't know if it has to do with the way the fronts are coming in or something, but it just shuts them up, just kind of like deer hunting on the east wind. They don't move the best usually, so, or not that I've noticed, but I know the last few times that I've checked turkeys and gobbling with winds out of the east, they ain't been gobbling on the east wind. So I don't know, just something y'all might pay attention to next time. If birds ain't gobbling, see where the weather system or wind or whatever's coming out of. But I'm gonna head back up to the side by side, and I probably won't make a video out of this. I'll probably put it with tomorrow's video. So anyway, I'm gonna get side by side and get back off the hill, back to the truck. I gotta go work. So anyway, I guess we'll end this video, this part of the video right here, and then I'd say the next time you see me, it'll be tomorrow, April 2nd. So 7:30. All right, catch you guys later. Thanks for watching Caney Creek Outdoors. All right, good morning. It is 6:30 on April 2nd, scout day number 3 before youth season comes in. Didn't hear anything yesterday morning, so I'm going back up this morning, and they should be talking this morning. It's a pretty nice morning. It's clear skies, and it is 48 degrees, so they should be talking this morning. I just got some gas, energy drink, some Grizzly, and I'm gonna head up, and then it'll be quick again this morning. I have to be at work at 8, so we started that new job yesterday right below where the other one, so be up there for the next 2 or 3 months. So anyway, I'm gonna wrap it up. I didn't bring another GoPro battery, and this one's on 30%, so I'll get back with you when we're at the top of the hill. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, I'm up here. I'm at the top of the hill. I think I just heard one gobble over here. Wind's blowing pretty good, so. There's several over that way. There's one way on that ridge over there. I'm pretty sure these are right off this point. Better get me fly down. There's a couple gobbling way over that way. Alright, I'm gonna get on this side by side and I'm gonna go on out the ridge, see if I can hear any on down toward where they was on the first day I was scouting. So I'll get back with you. Alright guys, it's about 20 after 7. I finally heard a couple birds back down this way, and this wind is picking up pretty good. These birds here's all went right down and they floated down now, and they're getting down in these hollers. So if one is out here where it was the other day, that just, there's a holler here and then it breaks back off real steep. There's a big pasture field out there that I hunt in. It's probably a quarter mile from here, and if they're in that pasture field, the way the wind is, I'm not going to hear them. So I'm gonna go back out and go down the main road and take my binoculars and glass up on that pasture field. I might sit down there for a little bit and listen, see if they're gobbling back in there. But I know a couple of these birds that was out here, I know they was down in that direction. So some good info. There's still some gobbling way back through that way. So still not the birds gobbling that I thought would be. Man, usually this time of year they're right off of this point right here. Kenny killed his on open morning about 200 yards right down there, and we called it from that direction over here. But nothing real close. It's got me real excited. It's going to rain like crazy. So this weekend, it's supposed to rain Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, maybe Monday. So I'd say there won't be much running and gunning. It'll mostly be sitting in a blind and hoping they come in between breaks of rain or something. But I told Kenny yesterday that we'd probably have to be in a blind, and kind of depressed him. He killed that one last year, kind of running and gunning with no blind or nothing. And that's what he's wanting to do this year. So with that much rain, you can't get cameras, and it's so wet. So we'll probably be in a blind this weekend, probably the whole weekend. I'd say it won't I'd say it won't be good weather to run a gun. So. But that's why I'm up here. It's hard to. Just jumped a deer. It's hard to run and gun when it's raining. They won't be gobbling much. That's why I'm trying to come up every morning just to see, kind of see where these birds are at back in the woods. That way we can come and bring a blind in and maybe set up on one of these log roads or something close to where they've been. Or we might just hunt at the house over there in the hay fields. Turkeys will bust those fields wide open when it rains. So. But that's how I end my video right here, and might put yesterday's video and today's video in one. Post it up tonight. Not sure yet, but we're going to try to post a video or two every week. Try to build the channel up. So if you're watching, do what everybody says. Go like, subscribe, comment, share it. Help us out and kind of grow with us. So I'm back to the side by side now. So we will, if I see anything down the road, anything exciting, I'll probably bring it back, but probably in the video right here. Well, just as soon as I turn my camera off right there, these birds right here, they're not just a couple 100 yards down there, just gobbled, so it's pretty cool. But anyway, probably in the video with this, and then we're back to old Red, side to side. So. Another one just gobbled back that way. Alright, so if you like it, go like, subscribe, share my channel, share video, whatever, and kind of grow with us. And we're going to do a bunch of hunting videos this turkey season. We'll do some fishing, creek fishing. Want to do some jug fishing for catfish. Preparing for deer season, food plotting, scouting for Fort Knox. We go to Fort Knox. We love it down there. It's extra buck tag, so do some of that. Putting cameras out, just kind of show everything that we do. Preparing for seasons and in between seasons. Might show little farm stuff that we do at the house. So. Alright, thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you don't like it, what we need to do, what you want to see. And thanks for watching. Caney Creek Outdoors. See you next time.